Hello friends, today our topic type of foundations. What is the foundation? Foundation is the lowest portion of a structure which transmits the load into the supporting soil. The main purpose of the foundation is to distribute the total weight of the superstructure over a large area of soil. Type of foundation. Foundation can be classified into two general categories. Number one, shallow foundations. Number two, deep foundations. Shallow foundation in depth less than 3 meter and deep foundation more than 3 meter. Number 1. Shallow foundation. A shallow foundation is a type of building foundation that transfers building load to the earth very near to the surface rather than to a subsurface layer or a range of depth as does a deep foundations. The depth of foundation is equal or less than its width. Classification of shallow foundation. Number 1. Spread footings or isolated footings. Number 2. Combined footings. Number 3. Mat or raw foundation. Number 1. Spread footings. Isolated footings. Spread footing consists of a wide base of foundations for transmitting the load to the soil over a wider area. Number 2. Combined footings. Combined footing consists of a common footings provided to two columns which may be either rectangular or trapezoidal. 3. Mat or raw foundation. Mat or raw foundation consists of dense reinforced concrete slab which cover the total bottom area of structure. It is provided in the soil with low bearing capacity where structural loads are heavy. Number 2. Deep foundation. A deep foundation is a type of foundation in which the foundation is placed at a deeper depth below the ground level. The depth of foundation is much greater than its width. Deep foundation can be further classified into three categories. Number 1. Pile foundation. Number 2. Cofferdams. Number 3. Caisson foundations. Number 1. Pile foundation. Pile foundation is a type of foundation where a cylinder members of wood or concrete or steel is inserted into the ground for transferring the load of a stronger stratum by frictions. Classification of pile foundation. Classification based on functions. Bearing pile. Number 2. Friction piles. Number 3. Sheet piles. Number 4. Anchor piles. Number 5. Batter piles. Number 6. Founder piles. Number 7. Compaction piles. Classification based on material. Number 1. Timber piles. Number 2. Concrete piles. Number 3. Steel piles. Number 2. Cofferdams. A cofferdam is a temporary structure which excludes the water from a given site to enable the construction on a dry surface. Classification of cofferdam based on materials. Number 1. Earthen cofferdam. Number 2. Rock-filled cofferdam. Number 3. Single-walled cofferdam. Number 4. Double-wall cofferdam. Number 5. Crib cofferdam. Number 6. Circular cofferdam. Number 3. Caisson foundation. Caisson is a watertight structure made of wood, steel, or reinforced concrete, which excavates for the foundation of bridge, piers, etc. Type of caissons. Number 1. Open caissons. Number 2. Box caissons. Number 3. Pneumatic caissons. Thanks friend for watching my video.